Can technology redefine art as we know it? In today's video, we're exploring the groundbreaking world where tech meets creativity. Discover how digital tools are transforming the art scene, pushing boundaries, and inspiring new forms of expression. From virtual reality masterpieces to AI-generated creations, the future of art is more exciting than ever. Stay tuned as we reveal the latest trends revolutionizing modern artistry and showcase the incredible possibilities at the intersection of innovation and imagination. Prepare to see art in a whole new light. The evolution of art in the digital age. Art has undergone a remarkable transformation over the centuries, evolving from traditional forms like painting and sculpture to embrace digital mediums. This journey began with the invention of photography in the 19th century, which challenged conventional artistic practices. As technology advanced, artists began experimenting with digital tools, expanding their creative possibilities beyond imagination. Key figures such as Andy Warhol and movements like Dadaism have played pivotal roles in this evolution, pushing boundaries and redefining what art can be. Today, we stand at the forefront of a new era, where technology continues to inspire and shape artistic expression in unprecedented ways. Innovative tools for artists. Today's artists are equipped with an array of cutting-edge tools that enhance their creativity and efficiency. Software like Adobe Creative Cloud and Procreate has become essential for digital illustration and graphic design, offering powerful features that streamline the creative process. On the hardware side, innovations such as digital tablets and 3D printers are revolutionizing how art is created and experienced. Digital tablets allow for precise control and flexibility, while 3D printers enable artists to bring their imaginative concepts to life in tangible forms. Together, these tools empower artists to push boundaries and explore new dimensions in their work. The role of AI in art creation. Artificial intelligence is increasingly shaping the art landscape, introducing new possibilities and challenges for artists. AI-generated art, created through algorithms and machine learning, raises intriguing questions about creativity and originality. Platforms like DALL-E and Artbreeder allow users to generate unique images and designs, blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. While some celebrate these advancements as tools for inspiration, others debate the implications for traditional artistry and the value of human touch in creative processes. As we explore this evolving relationship, we'll uncover how AI is not just a tool, but a collaborator in the artistic journey. Digital art consumption. Technology is dramatically changing the way we consume art, making it more accessible than ever before. The rise of online galleries and virtual exhibitions allows art lovers to explore diverse collections from the comfort of their homes, breaking geographical barriers. Social media platforms have also transformed art visibility, enabling artists to showcase their work to a global audience and connect directly with fans. Additionally, streaming platforms are reshaping art experiences by offering immersive content, such as artist interviews and behind-the-scenes documentaries. Together, these innovations are redefining how we engage with art, fostering a more inclusive and interactive cultural landscape. The future of art and technology. As we look ahead, the intersection of art and technology is poised for exciting developments. Emerging technologies like augmented reality are set to transform how audiences experience art, allowing for interactive installations that blend the physical and digital worlds. Meanwhile, blockchain technology promises to revolutionize art ownership and provenance, enabling artists to retain control over their work in the digital realm. These advancements may lead to new forms of artistic expression and deeper audience engagement, inviting viewers to participate in the creative process. As we navigate this evolving landscape, it's essential to consider our roles as both creators and consumers in shaping the future of art. Thanks for joining us as we explored how technology is revolutionizing art creation and consumption. If you found this journey into digital creativity fascinating, make sure to subscribe for more insights into the world of art and tech. Hit the like button to show your appreciation, and share this video with fellow art lovers and tech enthusiasts. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment on how digital art has impacted your creative experiences. Ready for more? Check out our other videos for deeper dives into the intersection of technology and creativity. Stay inspired, stay creative, and see you in the next video.